Okay, here we have an AMA 4518. It's a 43-3C machine with an 18-inch blade. Same features as usual on AMA products. We've got the petrol going in here, we've got a safety bar, and we've got a prime facility. We're going to start up in a minute and show you cutting it through a couple of pieces of wood. Okay, always important to wear safety equipment whenever you're using a chainsaw, ear defenders because they can be quite loud, and obviously goggles. We're just going to start this up now and do a couple of demonstrations of cutting through wood.